If you want to change your home screen layout on your Samsung Galaxy A26, follow the simple steps. So first of all, open up your settings. Now scroll down to your home screen. There it is. Now locate your home screen layout. Tap here, and here you'll see two choices. Your home and app screens, which is the mode which you have now. This is your classic Samsung app drawer. And the second one is home screen only. This option is more of a Xiaomi-like or Apple-like option. So let's press apply and let's see. Now we have everything right on our home screen, and if we're gonna try and open up our app drawer, nothing will pop up. So choose what the most corresponding option to you. Let me show you once again. Home screen layout. So choose it, press apply. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.